Howdy everyone, this is the Skil 4-volt rechargeable electric screwdriver 45-bit kit. I wanted to show everyone its operation, unboxing, and run through a couple performance tests. So let's dive in. The manufacturer has nicely packaged this product in a manner that's evidently designed to sever an artery. I did, however, manage to get it removed without losing any portions of my limbs. All joking aside, you might actually consider wearing gloves here. It came from Amazon without any charge to speak of, only enough to turn on the LED light, so it was plugged in immediately. 2-ish hours later, I was finally able to give it a once-over. Overall build quality here is pretty nice. It feels solid, nice rubber overmolding. The switch here, it's not a switch, it's a rotating switch really. It's only one speed, forward and back. I do kind of wish it was variable speed, but you know, not a huge deal. The 1/4-inch chuck, all metal, feels pretty solid. I do think it's worth it to spend a couple dollars more and get the version that comes with this pretty decent carrying case. It's also got a ton of bits in it, including some kind of hard to find ones too. Like, I don't know if maybe I'll get a better close-up of these in a second. But these are actually Torx bits with the security pin in it. Not a real common bit, so that's kind of nice. We also have this in here. It's a magnetic bit holder. So it makes kind of, once you grab a bit, pretty easy to hold on to it. Get in there. So check that out. Pretty nice. Next, I was really curious how much torque this product outputs. Can this product be used to unscrew something stuck, or just back it out once it's been loosened in another manner? To find out, I went ahead and used my torque wrench to set some screws at 20, 25, and 35 inch-pounds. Let's see if the Skil 4-volt screwdriver can remove them. And that's a yes on the 20. How about 25? Uh-oh, no. Nope. And we've got a couple no's at 25 and 35. However, I was able to break them loose by giving them a quick twist by hand and then backing out. So bottom line is that actual torque in reverse is somewhere between 20 and 25 inch-pounds. Alright guys, so check this out. I didn't actually know this when I purchased this, but this Skil electric screwdriver actually has a non-contact voltage detector built into it. What that does is it can sense the electromagnetic fields put off by a live wire. Super handy when doing electrical work around a panel. You want to know if a quick check to see if the wires you're working on are live. Click this button right here. It activates it. Dead, right? But if I take my little tester, plug it in, activate that again. Uh-oh, warning, warning, warning. Warning, live wire. No, live wire. Really nice feature. Overall, this is a great little electric screwdriver. It's well built, comes with some great assortment of bits, and is decently powerful. I do, however, wish it were variable speed. Nevertheless, really happy with this purchase.